Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, come what you love and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas, once again at the Gilbert compound. Wow, what have I got for you today? I know I've been here once, but I'm back again. The mail ran, okay? Alright, so here's this. I have no idea what this is. I'm pretty sure I got this off Tophatter, but it doesn't tell me what it is. So let's find out together, right? All right. Me purchasing stuff and not remembering it all. Have no idea. Let's find out. Let's hope it's not very embarrassing. All right. That was a joke, by the way. All right. So here we go. It's what I've always wanted. Another bag. I'm so happy. I got another package. Inside of a package. Interesting. And still there's no information of what it is. Awkward. Alright. So let's see what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the most unhappy person. It's an LED light. I did an auction on Tophatter about 4 months ago. And 4 months ago I got this, it's an LED Series T tube light. This is not what I ordered. It's not what I ordered at all, actually. And plus there's this. I mean, yeah, I would have bought this if they'd had the connector for this, but Tophatter is a piece of crap when it comes to grow lights. Let me show you what else they sent me. I purchased something else, and this is what I got. I'll be right back. You know I'm growing peppers, right? Well, I got this, which by the way has no electrical outlet on it. I have no idea how to plug it in. I've tried every possible way I can think of. They gave me 2 of these, but I will say that Tophatter did give me my money back, so that's good. I will actually make the screenshot. Part of the screenshot will be what was supposed to be here and what I actually received. I think that would be an interesting combination of screenshots. So yeah, that's what I got. There's no way I could even plug that in. How is that going to go on the freaking wall, huh? How's that going to go on the wall? Hey, let's put that in the wall. Hey, let's put that in the freaking wall. Yeah, it's not going to work, dude. Tell me how I'm supposed to plug this in. Hector, do you know? Hector doesn't know, but he's smarter than whoever sent me this crap. Anyway, thank you for taking my ridiculous problem. And by the way, if y'all have any idea how to plug this stuff up that I got from Tophatter that I didn't order, let me know. Maybe I can literally get this to work and be able to grow my peppers. So let me know in the comments below, yeah? Thanks, man. I appreciate y'all. But I do need y'all to like, add, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please do so. God bless America. God bless you. Thank you. And may you all have a nice and glorious day. I'm going to go talk to Tophatter and tell him to go to Hades and give me my money back once again. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you. And remember, the only thing in this world that matters is Old Glory. And if you have a problem with that, talk to Hector.